So we'll be looking at how to attach this cut perfectly. First, we'll cut our straps. These straps measure 5 centimeters. Then with our birkenstock footbed and the shoe last is actually for birkenstock only. So you place your birkenstock shoe last inside the footbed itself. Then we will try to last this strap. Just place it the way you want it to go, and when you are okay, then we will take the mark. So here I am okay with where my straps goes. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to mark where this footbed, the tip of the footbed, where it's touching the leather itself. This is somewhere here is where the tip of the footbed is meeting, as you can see it here. So now we also make a mark on this other end, that's the toe end of it, and also here. So now after this, we are going to measure the full length of this. That's where this mark starts and end. So mine measures about 7 inches. Okay, so I'll just make it more clear so I will be seeing it. So after this will help us in dividing these the holes where it will go, so that it will be very even. Okay, so I'm going to divide mine, and after dividing it, I was getting about 1.4 inch. That's the difference, the distance between each strap or each cord is 1.4 inch. Okay, so I'm going to quickly make this mark and we will do the next thing. So now I've made the marks, and just as I said earlier, is 1.4 inch the distance between each of it. Okay, now what we are going to do now is to take our ruler and go this way. Okay, what we are trying to know now, where we will be inputting our holes for the straps to pass through. So just make a mark of 0.3 inch. Just place the your tape this way and make a mark on 0.3 inch. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So we'll just place our ruler on the point we made earlier, that's the 1.4 inch we made earlier, and make a 0.3 inch inward. Okay, this is where we will be punching our holes. So after that, we go ahead and punch the holes. Okay, just make sure that it's even, the spacing and everything is even. So I've punched my holes here, and also at the tip here I punched hole where this long one will be coming to. That's the straight one that runs inside, so that it will stay firm. So what we do now is just to pass our cord inside through the hole we made here. Okay, just with the edge of anything that is sharp, that is not going to rip apart the strap itself. Bring out the cord itself. Okay, so though later I was able to use my lighter and burn it and try using my finger to make it pointed. So now you pass this rope like this. Okay, pass it to the other end where you made the hole. Try to have excess, because it's from that end that we will be going the corners of the cord attaching. Okay, so just pull this out gently, and just as I said earlier, I was able to burn the tip and use my finger to make it a bit pointed for easy pass. All right, then another thing, while attaching this, make sure that the rope or the cord lies properly. Let there not be any twists, so that everything will come out pretty nice and fine. All right, so now we will pass this cord through this way from the back. Now pass it, bring it to the front side of it. All right, so once you bring it out this way, we are going to pass it to the other side like this. So while doing this, like I said earlier, make sure that everything lies, there is no twist or whatsoever. Then don't allow it to shrink. Okay, just make everything to lie, including the leather and the cord. Okay, so all you have to do is very easy to do. Just keep passing it this way, bring it to the pretty side, then other side, you go back to the back side of the strap. Okay, you notice that we did not line this strap before attaching our cord, while because this cord supposed to be inside so that it doesn't disturb the wearer, or maybe from there spoil. So all you have to do is just keep doing this until you get to the end of the holes that you punched. It's very easy. Then remember that you don't need to allow this to shrink. Those, both the leather and also the cord itself, twist and make everything to lie pretty nice. Okay, just keep twisting just as I did here. You twist it and make sure that it lies pretty nice. All right, so I'll just keep doing it till I get to the end of the. So now I've finished everything, as you can see. So the next thing is just to attach my lining and last the footwear. Okay, so nothing more. So now let's just quickly look at how it looks on our shoe last. All right, so this goes here. As you can see, it's okay the way it is. The number of days can be lesser or more depending on the size of footwear you are making. So I'll just go ahead, attach my lining and last my footwear. Okay, so here everything is lying pretty well. I hope you learned something new today and you're going to try it out. Do well to subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be hoping to hear from you if you have any question concerning this design or this footwear. Okay, thanks for watching, and share, like. See you soon. Bye.